In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do call forwarding with Elevenlabs Conversational AI. If you're managing multiple phone lines or simply want to streamline your communications, Elevenlabs can be a great tool to help you out. So let's get started and walk through each step to set up call forwarding efficiently. First, head over to the Elevenlabs website. You can easily find it by searching for free text-to-speech and AI voice generator, Elevenlabs, online. Once you're on the page, the next thing you'll want to do is sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which should be prominently displayed on the site, and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one before you proceed, but the process is usually straightforward. Once you've signed in, navigate your way to the Elevenlabs homepage. On the homepage, you'll find various options. Among them is an important one for us today, Conversational AI. Go ahead and click on Conversational AI. This link will open up a suite of tools specifically designed for setting up and managing AI-driven communications. Now, once you're on the Conversational AI page, you'll see an option labeled Telephony. At this point, click on Telephony, and it will take you to the tools that allow you to handle all phone-related functionalities. Within this section, you'll see a few more options. What you want to focus on next is phone numbers. Click on Phone Numbers to get started with managing your phone lines. To add a phone number, you need to import one. You'll see an Import Number button. Click on it. This is where you can bring in existing numbers to your Elevenlabs setup. We're specifically going to import a number from Twilio, so make sure you select the option labeled From Twilio. Once you've clicked on that, the system will guide you on how to proceed with importing your phone number. Finally, to complete the process, you'll want to click on Import Phone Number from Twilio. Make sure that the necessary API and credentials from your Twilio account are ready, as they'll be required to authenticate and transfer the phone number seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully set up call forwarding with Elevenlabs Conversational AI using a Twilio phone number. Always ensure your data on both platforms is up to date for smooth functionality. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you find Elevenlabs to be an efficient tool in managing your communications. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions.